Hi friends, the iPhone 12 models will feature a new design with a flat edges according to the several reports and rumors. However, a video shared today by everythingApplepro shows the rear design of new 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro. The rear of the phone doesn't reveal many new details since it does not have any hardware components attached. But if it is real, it gives us a better idea of what the new iPhone will look like. At the rear of the chassis, we can notice a similar camera arrangement with 3 lenses and an LED flash. But there is also an additional slot right below where the ultra-wide camera is located, and this is likely to be a LiDAR scanner, which is present in iPad Pro 2020. The rumors about the LiDAR scanner on iPhone 12 were a bit controversial. While some reports claim that only the 6.7-inch model will get the new sensor, today's leak suggests that both Pro models will have the LiDAR technology. There are other interesting details on this leaked iPhone 12 rear shell, including the relocated SIM tray and a new cutout on the right side of the phone that might be a 5G antenna. Friends, how useful LiDAR sensor will be to you? Please let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. For more tech videos, please subscribe to our Content Studio channel. Thank you for watching Content Studio.